Adaptation in plants. We can see coconut trees if we go to Goa or Kerala, and pine trees in the hilly regions of North India. You may wonder why these trees are so different from each other. Different plants grow in different types of soil, at different places, in different atmospheric conditions. Some plants grow on land, while some plants grow in water. To suit the climate of a place, plants change themselves. The special characteristics that enable plants to grow and survive in a particular environment are called adaptations. For example, the lotus plant has adapted itself to grow and live in ponds. A cactus plant grows in deserts. It has adapted itself to store water. Now, let us find out how plants differ from each other according to their surroundings. Terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. We can see different types of terrestrial plants according to different landforms.
Plants in plains.
Some trees such as neem, banyan, mango and peepal grow in the plains. They have broad leaves. They do not shed their leaves in winter and continue to grow new leaves again in summer. Some plants such as teak, shisham and sal grow best in places which experience hot summers. They shed their leaves once in a year. They are called deciduous trees.
Plants in marshes. Some trees such as sundari, also called mangrove, grow in marshy places where the soil is sticky and clayey. Their roots cannot breathe in the waterlogged soil. So, they have breathing roots that grow above the ground and contain small air holes that enable the roots to get air. Plants in hills.
Some trees such as cedar, cypress, fir, spruce and pine grow in very cold and hilly places. You can see them in hilly areas like Darjeeling, Ooty and Kashmir. These trees have needle-like leaves and cones in places of flowers. Such trees are called conifers. Some conifers such as pine, cedar, etc. do not shed their leaves in any season. So, they are known as evergreen trees.
Plants in deserts.
Some plants such as cactus, babool, mesquite bush, etc. grow in deserts. Deserts are generally hot and extremely dry areas. There is very little water available for plants in deserts. Plants in these areas adapt according to these conditions. Some desert plants such as cactus have spongy and soft stem for storing water. Acacia plant has small leaves that has less exposed surface area and reduces water loss from their leaves.
The roots of desert plants are able to absorb even very small quantities of available water. The roots of plants such as mesquite bush can grow 20 meters down to reach water. Plants in
coastal areas. Plants such as coconut and palms have high water requirements, so they grow in coastal areas. They can grow well in humid areas and salty water. The seeds of these plants are easily carried away by water to far away places.